going on, guys? Fishing Fanatic here, and today I'm out on Pigeon Lake doing some kayak bass fishing. This is my first time ever on a kayak doing fishing, so hopefully I can get into some fish. The water's really calm out here, so I'll be able to get across no problem. And yeah, hopefully we can get into some fish, and let's go. Alright guys, so I'm just going to start off here with a little wacky worm, pink wacky worm. Oh, I didn't realize you could see the bottom here. It's about 5.5 feet of water probably. Alright guys, I hooked into a second one. It's actually a good fish this time too. Looks like another smallie. Oh, get him in. Yes! Let's go. Didn't even get that on camera. The hook set and everything, but... oh, that's not good. Rod overboard. Alright, here we go. Second fish of the day. Jeez. Oh my god, the hook's really in there. There we go. Nice little smallie. Nice little chunk. Nice fish. And there he goes. Let's go. Alright guys, that was a nice little smallie there. I'm using a Chartreuse Cinco wacky worm now, so hopefully we can get another one. That was my second fish out of a kayak. And yeah, pretty nice smallie. I'm just in this new drift here, casting it in. Nice little rock shoal along, comes out into some weeds, so it's looking pretty good. Oh, missed him. Stuck up in weeds. Oh man. It's looking like a good spot. I've got a hit on every single cast so far, and I caught that one nice smallie here, so oh god guys, I hooked onto another nice fish here. Wow, this is a nice, it's pulling my kayak. Oh shoot, almost. Okay, I don't know what this is. Oh wow. Oh my god. That's like a 5-6 pound largemouth. My rod. Oh my god, don't snap. Oh my god, guys. This is definitely my personal best bass if I land this. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. 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 Are you kidding me? What the heck? This is like 8 pounds. Oh my god. This is the big, oh my god, this is the biggest largemouth I've ever caught in my life. Please tell me this is recording. Oh my god, I had a feeling about this spot. Oh my freaking god. Are you kidding me? Look at the size of this thing. This thing is massive. This is my personal best bass for sure. I need to get a weight on this. Oh my god. Alright guys, I called my dad to come and bring the scale and everything, so I'm just gonna leave this fish in the water. And oh my god, guys, this is the biggest bass I've ever caught in my life. Let's go, guys. Oh my god, such a tough day turned into one of the best days of my life. All right, let's just keep this guy in the water, keep him nice and healthy.
3.5, 4 pounds.
All right, guys, so brought the professional in to weigh it and measure it. All right. Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
5 pounds.
5 pounds? Let's show the camera.
That's just set.
All right, that's 5 pounds. Exactly 5-pound bass. Oh my god. This is my best bass ever. The biggest bass I've ever caught. Here you go.
Okay.
Oh my god, guys. 5-pound bass. Let's go. All right, guys. Got our pictures. Weighed it. Now it's time to release it. Oh my god. Oh, there he goes. Let's go, guys. Yes. Personal best bass. Right back in the water. 5 pounds. Oh my god. Let's go, guys. Alright, guys. Just gonna go for a drink. Oh my god, the adrenaline right now is insane after that fish. Just gonna pull this onto shore for now. Gonna go have a drink and then head back out in the same spot and catch some more. Oh my god. Pigeon Lake bass at its best. Oh my god. Alright guys, I'm back out on the water now. I'm gonna drift the same spot where I caught that 5-pounder in the little smallmouth. Alright, well, let's get to it. Hopefully we can get another big one. I'm still hyped up from that massive one that I caught. So happy. That's my personal best so far. And yeah, so let's go. Oh guys, another nice bass, I think. I'm pretty sure it's a bass. I'm using a wacky. Oh my god, this is another big fish. Wow, this guy's just... Oh, are you kidding me? That's what it... Oh my god, I am embarrassed. I am embarrassed. Oh my god, he got hooked in the eyeball. I'm embarrassed that that's what that was. I don't even know if I should put that in the video. Oh my god. Well, that's embarrassing. There we go. There's a bass, or the freak is this? Oh, it might be a small fish that got me stuck in weeds. I mean, there's still a fish there. I can feel the fish. I just don't know. Ah, it's not big at all. Oh, and there it goes. Looked like a nice, decent little largemouth, but Right back in the water. Safe release. Let's get another one. Crap, is it swimming my way? Oh. Oh, shoot. This is better than I thought it was. Oh my God. Okay. It's really digging. Oh, never mind. Just another nice little smallie. Absolutely choked it. See if I can pull this off. There we go. Alright, where is he hooked? There we go. Hook came out. Nice little smallie. There he goes. Let's go. What is that? Is that a perch? Oh my God. Little perch. There we go. Oh, there goes the wacky worm. Oh, flip this guy. Oh. There we go. Nice little smallie. Oh my God. Oh, I think he's hooked deep. That's not good. Oh shoot, he's hooked deep. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna get the hook out and then put him right back in the water. Alright guys, so I got the hook out and there he goes. Nice fish. Alright guys, my day is done here on Pigeon Lake and I probably had one of the best bass fishing days of my life. I caught my personal best today. It was 5 pounds. So yeah, anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more. See ya.